Right, so I'm just gonna take a bit of this material and fold it over. I'm actually going to put some paper underneath that first, I think, just to give it a bit of oomph. So I'm just measuring the size of that paper clip, because I'm going to be folding this over. And then I want that little thing. What have I done with that then? Oh, do you know, I'd be dangerous with epoxy made. So this thing just does the edges of paper, ruffles them up a little bit. Just gives it a bit more texture and looks better without plain paper. Right. And I will wax some ink on the edge of that. I know you don't always see the back of something, but I do like to do the back just in case it rears its little head. Right, so that's that one all inked up, and that is literally going to go through that paper clip there. Oh my goodness, come on. You were just in there. We're going to have it there. And I'm going to use a bit of the heat gun on this one so it stays kind of where I want it to stay. There. Okay. And then a bit of this. So, about there. I don't know if this will work on this. Will it? No, of course it won't. So we'll just do this to it and fray it a bit. There, that looks better. And now we'll do this side and fray that as well. So what we're doing is making things to go inside it, and all these elements together just make it stand out a little bit. I'm just gonna do this up here. Just give it a little bit of a pop. Oh my God, it's cold. It's so cold. I am freezing, I am. I don't know if anybody else is cold, but I'm bloody cold tonight. Right, so I'm going to put just a little dab of that there. And on this side. Bit of lace on there. Oh, hot. Stay down. I'm surprised my scissors ever work. And I'm just cutting the edges into a diagonal, because otherwise it doesn't really look finished, does it? And then you just want something to go on the top of that. That's quite nice. I'm just going to make a little circle. And I'll ink that as well. It just ties it together then, doesn't it? So the nights are getting longer now. It's staying lighter for longer, so I don't have to do the foxes so early anymore. And now I'm going to put a little flower on there. So anybody new tuning in, this is session 5 of how to make a junk journal from scratch. We've made the junk journal from cardboard, we've covered it and prettied it. We've made the signatures and we've sewn them in. Now we're doing all the pretty bits. And I just want one of these. Or maybe 2 of them. I don't like that one. That one doesn't do the job properly. Yep, you'll do. What colour shall we have? I think we'll have a bit of green. I'll just put it in there. So that is a paperclip done. I don't know if you can see that. And it's just from scraps. I haven't used anything else. I'm going to put them back in there because